The cabin air filter in your 2020-2024 Land Rover Defender is crucial for filtering out pollutants like dust, pollen, allergens, and odors from outside air entering the vehicle. Without regular replacement, the filter can become clogged with debris, leading to reduced airflow, musty odors, mold growth, and added strain on the HVAC system. Changing the filter regularly improves air quality inside the vehicle, prevents potential health issues from poor air, optimizes HVAC system performance, and helps avoid costly repairs. Replace the cabin air filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, depending on your driving conditions. The cabin air filter housing is located behind the glove box on the passenger side of the dashboard. It's a rectangular plastic box, making it accessible without needing to go under the hood. Knowing the location is the first step in the replacement process. The filter sits in a cavity within the dashboard area, protected from engine contaminants. For replacing the cabin air filter in your Land Rover Defender, you'll need a few basic tools. A Phillips head screwdriver is typically needed to remove any screws holding the glove box or filter housing in place. Pliers may be useful for releasing any clips or handling fasteners that are difficult to reach by hand. You'll need a new cabin air filter. Use OEM Land Rover parts like LR133096 for 2020 to 2022 models or LR45329 for 2023 to 2024 models for best fit. Wear gloves during the replacement to keep the new filter clean and prevent any dirt or oils from your hands contaminating it. No special equipment is required, making this replacement a straightforward DIY task that takes about 15 to 30 minutes. Park the vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine and HVAC system for safety. Open the glove box and empty it completely. Then detach it fully by removing any screws or clips. Locate the filter housing behind where the glove box was. Unlatch the housing cover using clips or by removing screws. Remove the old filter and note the airflow direction arrow for proper reinstallation. When installing the new cabin air filter, ensure the airflow direction arrow on the filter matches the orientation of the original filter. This prevents leaks and maintains optimal filtration performance. The filter should be oriented with the arrow pointing in the direction of airflow through the housing. For 2020 to 2022 models, use part number LR133096. And for 2023-2024 updates, use LR145329. Proper installation ensures the filter seals correctly against the housing to prevent air leaks and maintain the vehicle's air filtration efficiency. Begin by reassembling the filter housing. Make sure the cover is securely latched or screwed in to prevent air leaks. Next, reattach the glove box by closing it securely. Ensure it latches properly to complete the reassembly. Start the engine and test the HVAC system to confirm proper airflow through the new filter. Listen for any unusual noises from the HVAC system, which could indicate improper installation of the filter or housing. Change the cabin air filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, depending on your driving conditions, like urban or dusty environments. Regular replacement enhances cabin air quality by filtering out pollutants and allergens. It prevents strain on the HVAC system, which maintains overall vehicle performance and fuel efficiency. Neglecting filter changes can lead to reduced airflow and unpleasant odors in the cabin. If you encounter a stuck filter housing during removal, apply gentle, even pressure. Avoid using excessive force, which could damage the plastic clips or housing. When installing the new filter, ensure it fits snugly within the housing without gaps. A loose fit can cause air leaks, leading to musty odors or reduced filtration efficiency. Consider using original equipment manufacturer filters for the best fit and performance. OEM filters like LR133096 or LR45329 are designed specifically for your Defender and may include advanced features like recycled materials. In urban or high-pollution environments, filters may clog faster and require more frequent changes. Monitor for reduced airflow or unusual odors, and consider annual inspections. For model-specific details and any warranty considerations, always refer to your vehicle's official service manual. This ensures proper maintenance and avoids potential issues.